Do you find yourself in need of hotel room essentials? Well, I know just the place. Go to hotelbaazar.com. Here we have minibars, safe boxes, bed linen of various sizes, fabric, color, and style. All the various bathroom necessities you may need. At the top right corner, you can see all the items in your cart. Click Checkout. Fill up the form with your details, and be sure to choose your shipping and payment method before you place your order. Rest assured we have the best secure payment facilities, so your card information is protected with us. And we will deliver it to you in no time. It's that easy. Congratulations. And you're done. Now your hotel room is fully equipped to welcome your next guest. Get in touch and start shopping today.